This is the main. I turn this off, so there's no water coming out. This is hot water only. We are doing cold water now. We need 2 tools. 2 of this or 2 of this. This is okay as well. One comes here, other comes here. I loosened it up. Put a bucket there. Yeah, nice. That's how it looks like. And now we do the same with this as well. One tool comes here, other one here. Like this. It doesn't matter this comes at the bottom or this. I use this here because this is significantly bigger than this, so this tool cannot grab onto this. That's it, and while I'm grabbing on, I twist this. Simple as that. That's it. Now the whole pipe is free. I can take it out. Now there's no pressure, so I can hold the pipe. If it gets stubborn and you cannot remove this, then put it on the floor, step on it, or better if you hold it with your hand. I do it with my leg because I need to hold the camera. And the other one, and make sure you are going anti-clockwise, not clockwise. So this is anti-clockwise. You can see now it's loosened up, now it's loose. Now I can do it with my hand. Nice. So you need to put it on the floor. You will not be able to do with 2 hands in the air. Impossible. There's a 90-degree here. So cut it into half with angle grinder because it would be impossible to unscrew this. So this side is out, and now only this side left. The water meter. Funny thing is, like, I can undo this by hand. Do not even need any tools. And it's important to undo because so under the water meter, I just unscrewed it. So while I'm unscrewing this, it's not moving because I could damage the water meter if it's connected while I'm unscrewing this. With one hand I'm pulling it so it doesn't disturb or breaks this pipe, and with the other hand go like this. I done this with this, very difficult, and now I can tighten this with this. Yeah, it's pretty much done. I just need to connect this and that's all done, but now this is closed, and the best way to test it is by closing this and opening the main valve, because when the main valve is open and this is closed, the whole pipe is under pressure, so the water is trying to escape, and if there is anywhere your seal is not sealing properly, then it will leak. And you can use a towel, but it's enough just your finger, and you will see if there is water on it or not. This is perfect. Usually it leaks immediately, so it's very rare that if it doesn't leak now, it's going to leak after a few hours or few days. And this one. But what I do is, just in case, you don't need to, but you know, best to be safe than sorry, I keep open the valve only at night time. When I go to sleep, I close it, and then next day morning during daytime while I'm in the property, I keep it open, I keep it under pressure, and every day I check it. And that's the best way to make sure that there's no leak, there's no problems. So, of course, you need to test it out while it's completely connected to the system, making sure that it's working properly, but still, if it doesn't leak right now, then you have done a really good job. And this tool is handy, it's really good. I'm not saying not, but you cannot, I tried to do without this, but without this you cannot do your job properly, to be honest. And I have used this one. This is really good. This is the old pipe. When you have brown water coming out, this is why you have brown water. Still not fully clogged, but it's getting there.